Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 30, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 30, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, August 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 30, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 20 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 123.5 million pesos for Friday, August 30, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 30, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.